How to fix Play Store stuck on waiting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store stuck on waiting on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again. Now just type here Google Play Store and here we'll find it, then click on it and then just go to permissions and give it all the permissions here and then just click force stop and go to storage and clear cache and then just try again and it must be fixed. And that's how to fix Play Store stuck on waiting on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.